All right, guys, we have yet another update that went in this morning, and this is not a major update, but something that I noticed that I could potentially fall into myself and that you guys may try to use as well. All right. And that is the feature of the stimulus activity where you get listed in the top 10 and um, I know some of you guys, just by looking at this, I could tell that more purchases in the marketplace were being made later on in the day. And it hit me that when these Bitcoin payments are sent out, sorry, that's the wrong link, the off-chain deposits here, they're triggered at the beginning of each morning. So I know for some of you guys, you'll look at that and be like, oh, snap, let me make my purchases in the marketplace toward the end of the day so that I can be in that top 10, right? Because I had the same idea myself after looking at it. I'm an active user in the platform as well. So as I'm looking at that, I'm like, yeah, let me make some purchases about 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, so that I'll catch it at the beginning of the morning. So the update that has gone in place, guys, is that this will now be a random time throughout the day. So it can be anywhere from the top of the morning, when we go from one day to the next, or it can be 11, 12, uh, 23 hours later. So you have a whole range. And what this is going to do is keep everything fair for everyone, right? We don't want people kind of coming in, purchasing marketplace credits at the end of the day when not everybody is awake, because we have people using these wallets all across the world. So different people are on different time frames, and this right here is just going to be a random selection of a timestamp of when that BTC payment is triggered. Okay, so going forward, starting tomorrow, you will notice that these times may vary. So if you receive some BTC rewards, it will unlikely be at the top of the hour like that. So it has a whole 24-hour period that it can drop these daily Bitcoin payouts from the stimulus activity. All right, guys, just want to keep everything fair for everybody. And this random selection here is going to help do that in this regard. All right, that's all I got for you in this video, and we will holler on the next one. Peace out.